Today is a packing and cleaning day. I'm going to get this place. I'm gonna get my deposit back. I'm gonna get it. That's the goal. That's the goal. So we've managed to clean out one of the back rooms, the closet, and one of the bathrooms. So we're still cleaning out the kitchen. As you can see, it's a mess. And these are most of our worldly possessions. Man, we accumulate a lot. I'm probably gonna throw out half of that stuff, or at least try to. Maybe I shouldn't. We're about to furnish the whole house. But we still have a few things that we have to get. So we're packing, but we're also buying at the same time. It's kind of a headache.
Do we have to take that stuff off the wall?
Yes, we do. No deposit. Yeah, so now I have projects I have to figure out how to solve. So we had to run. We had to run to the house because the mattress is getting dropped off. But they need. I think one of us has to be there.
Yeah, I mean, we need to advise them when they're there so that someone can open the gate, and so they know where to put the beds and everything.
And we're going to drop off my toys and my artwork and my toys and my artwork and my toys and my artwork and my toys.
So we were on the way here to make sure the mattress got delivered okay to the apartment because we don't sign until tomorrow, so we don't have the key or access yet. But they're trying to help us out with moving stuff ahead of time. We need to wait for the mattresses to arrive. I got an email, it says it's en route. Hopefully it will arrive soon and we can get in and put the mattresses where we need them.
You ready to see the new house?
Yeah.
One rule I always tell you, bring water everywhere you go.
And if you like me, sunscreen.
What?
Ok, si gustan pasar, para que tengan la sombra, hace mucho calor.
Sí, gracias.
Yeah, that means it's very hot. If you want to go, the door was unlocked. Oh, it looks like they got screens on there too. They put some screens on the window. So the screens there too. Like, yeah, you gotta have screens out here. Whew, it's looking nice. How you feeling?
Good.
That's good. I hope they let us. I hope they put screens on the this door too. I don't think it has functionality for screens. It doesn't look like it. It's hot. Everybody's having a good time. Let's go upstairs. You said there's no curtains upstairs? Let's see.
Having some end tables is game changer.
Yeah, that would be a game changer.
Yeah, I'd probably take that big chest out
Which chest?
of
Oh, yeah.
use it for something different.
Yeah, I gotta figure out these lights too, because I want to make sure that these lights actually work. Oh, well, I guess I can start turning stuff on now too. Yeah, a lot of these bulbs aren't. I need to talk to her. Yeah, she's having a good time out in those ruts. Said this would be like a good place for Nina's room.
Yeah, because if we put the bed there, then the AC won't blow directly on her.
Oh, okay. We still have to see how she does them alone. Like I know.
Walmart is here.
I put sandpaper on your bike. Oh snap! I think Erlen's at the house. They might be at the wrong location. So Walmart is finally here. When they said the mattress is gonna be delivered?
Between now and 1:30.
Between now and 1:30? Okay.
Look, it's our fridge.
Where's my tiny room?
That's how you know you're old.
You mean?
This is exciting.
Oh no!
My own fridge in my own house. It's too heavy. You could get hurt. I know, but look how heavy it is, Vina. You can show them where the house is. You want to do that?
Here, come on. I didn't want you to get hurt.
Huh? You can help when we take all the plastic and everything off.
Yeah.
Okay, muy bien. Muchas gracias. So I just not that.
What happened?
Something. It's just the guarantee. Yeah.
That's one down. We got a fridge. Go ahead, rip that thing, Nina. Rip it. It's like a big Christmas present. Yeah, do your thing. Finally got the fridge set up. So we finally got the fridge set up. I went with a Samsung just because of the brand. There was two other options. One was a Chinese company and the other was another Korean company. Nina's down there playing with styrofoam. She did an amazing job helping. It was like a big Christmas present. But it's a really nice fridge. I didn't understand. I thought the water dispenser was something attached. Usually like in America, there's a hose that goes through. But here you have to fill up the water and it comes out through here. So it's we can do a water dispenser on the fridge. Cold water will come out of the fridge.
Put water in
You
here.
put water in here and it comes out on the side.
Good.
Yeah, it was.
I need to see your phone.
Never a dull moment. So we have to go to get gas for the bike. So I bought the bike and the guy was only a liter of gas in there, so now it won't start. So I have to go get gas for the bike and gotta get Nina a helmet. Can't ride around with her without a helmet. And
I have the grass. I
yeah.
have the grass.
We also have to make sure that someone's there for the bed. So bed, someone has to be there. And then I still have to work today. So got calls at 1:30 and I think then I got a few more calls. At some point I have to make sure I'm at home. But yeah, right now we're just walking down to the OXXO. Yeah, the police are here. I think something's going on down the street. Like right over here. But they're in front of our house. So. So the packing is basically done. The bike wasn't really out of gas. It's low, but the engine just needs to be primed. I think the guy was telling me that because it's a new bike. Other than that, now we just have to go to Nina's jiu-jitsu class.
Hey, bring it to me.
We just gotta make sure we're out of here, basically.
So this is our last night in this apartment. We are ready to get up out of here tomorrow. I don't know if you heard that, but we're just gonna move on. So the plan for tomorrow is to sign the contract at the notary's office around 11 a.m. Then we're getting a moving company to help move all our stuff from this apartment to the new apartment at 2 p.m. Clean up this apartment, make sure it looks nice, I was almost gonna say get evicted, but not evicted, just evacuate. So that's the plan. We have to pay 6,000 pesos for the legal fee, the fee to sign the contract. It's a little over $300. And then we're going to transfer the money to our landlord for the 6 months rent. Luckily, our landlord has a US bank account, so it should be easier than it has been in the past because we can just use Zelle, which is a money transfer app, kind of like Cash App, but specific to certain banks, which we have, so it works out perfectly. And after that, we can get the key, start moving stuff in. We already have the fridge in there. We got the beds moved in today as well. Don't know how we're gonna set that up. They kind of just dropped everything off, but we'll make it work. And start getting more stuff for the apartment, making it feel a bit more like home. Unpack for the freaking 40th time in this past year. And hopefully just stay in one spot for a minute. Just enjoy a new house. If you like this channel, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.